All right, I have this pet hair remover here, and I'm going to open it up with you, and I'm just going to test it out right away. It's a really different one than I have already, and I'll do a comparison for you to see the difference. I love how easy it is to assemble these, and I really do love all of the support tools they come with. This comes with this great grippy hairbrush. This is going to capture hair. This is smoother on this side for you to pet those pups and gather hair right away. You can use this de-shedder for all your furniture. It comes with one of these. Yes, I know. We're going to use this on you. Look, you'll love this. I have a border collie, a high-shedding, long-haired, black and white doggy. So this is just great. We are headed up to the spring where they shed their winter coat, and I am stocking up on these things before it happens. So I love that. Look at that. It captured a hair just with me petting his head, and he's asking for more. This is a really great tool to slide and clean off different furniture. It has two different sides here. This I also use for pet grooming and furniture. It's really easy. I have a couch that the hair sticks to it, and I use this tool and it really grabs everything up. Now, let's just speed this up and assemble this for you. Oops. You could do this different lengths by just attaching two. This is the bottom one though with that one. So I'm going to get my middle bars. So you have two middle bars and you're just going to screw them on. I like products that can be height adjustable for tall people or short people. I think it's great. I have 3 pets in my home, so I am often using products like this. And I was very excited to order this. It is not a brush like I have. This is more like a squeegee, and it's got these ridges here, and so it does say it's rated to work on carpet. I'm going to give you a live test, but I also plan to use this on, for instance, the bathroom floor real quick. My husband loves using these to just get up pet hair in a circle and then vacuum. He swears by them. So I am newly converted to them in the past few years. I love that this swivels. That's really great, right? You can get in and under things. That's amazing. Can more companies please do that? That's great. So there's your assembly. Comes with a little instruction book if you really do need it for what all the tools are for. Again, I love that you can assemble it to the length that you need it. All right, sweep from corners around the room toward the center, and the hair will automatically wrap and consolidate into a ball. So let's give it a test. I was gonna vacuum, and then I got this out because I was like, I need to give an honest review. So please, I'm a little embarrassed because it is vacuum day. Wow. Okay, I am doing, let's see, which side? The nodule side against the carpet. There's already hair stuck to it, and it's really gathering all the hair. Man, that's humbling. Let's see. That's kind of gross. Did it go into a clump naturally? Yeah, it did. It's all together in one clumpy line, and now I can just vacuum that up. I love doing this again on our wooden floors, and I don't know, I would recommend this. I like it. I'm pro this, totally. What I like about it is this tilt head. It automatically is going to tilt. So I'm going to go under my bed, right? And I got boxes under there. And it's going to move and groove right along the sides of the boxes. Yes! Where I would use this when my vacuum can't reach different places. Awesome. Perfect. And it did bring out lots of tumbleweeds, right? So anyway, I hope this review was helpful. And I swayed you to invest in one of these. I love them.